talking to talk that stuff. After all the time, now your feelings tough. But don't hate it, all that's all that's. Looks like you need another lifetime, and you would know how it feels. Looks like you need another lifetime, and you could have it still. Looks like you need another lifetime, and you could have it for real. Looks like you need another lifetime. Don't hate, you need a love like a woman, yeah. Love like a you need a love like that. Listen music, she's smiling, all because of I. You're truly, oh, he's just smiling. Oh, you know you had your chance to love her. It's not my fault. Oh, they say love is a gamble when you lost. How can you not love all the way we live? You're trying to break everything we built. Hey, you can't stop a love so chill. So don't everybody groove. It looks like you need a lifetime, and you will know how it feels. Looks like you need a lifetime. Hey, it looks like you need a lifetime. You need some happiness for real. Looks like you need a lifetime, and it's with reason. Watch it. You need a love like a woman, yeah. Love like a you know they can't understand it. No. I know they really can't stand it. No. So, she give me something in the morning and in the evening and it's all we can have it. And loving you is a vibe. So, oh you said I'm feeling alive. Yeah. And we don't have to try. Yeah. That's why I love her. That's why I love her. Looks like you need another lifetime. It's happiness. Looks like you need another lifetime. Guess what this is? Mellow. Check it out. Grooving, you feel alright? Hush. You have to show me you feel alright. More you listen to words and then catch it. Watch it. Looks like you need a love like ours. Then you will know how it feels. Looks like you need a love like ours. More you sing with me. Hush. Come on. It looks like I can see you, sis. Then you will know how it feels. Looks like. Yeah, but everybody now sing. Come again. It looks like you need a. My side winning. Your side I win? We're going. Looks like you need. Give me that side of the pretty girl. Again, come on. It looks like you need a. Yeah, we still killing you. You sure? We killing you. It looks like you need. Wanna read out the flop in our queens? Shh. It looks like you need a. It looks like you need. Alright. We still louder than you. Alright, listen up, Archer. You need a love like a woman, yeah. Love like a woman. That's like it. You need a love like a woman, yeah. Walk on over here, sir. Come on, sir. We need a love like a woman, yeah. Love like a woman. You need a love like ours. Love like a woman, yeah. Yeah, we killed you. Make some noise for the loveliest day. No man, basically your time now. You think you're there for your pretty looks? African shirt and bag or something? Are your time basically? No man. I groove in the place near me now. And some people still are going like them want to sit down. So you have to go make them groove. Yeah, what that name? A Rasta skank. Make them dance like that, no? Oh, no grooving here now. Say grooving. Oh, they're not grooving. When everybody say grooving. Why you come groove them now, why you? found my Sonia. She has come home to me. She said she tired to see me living in misery. Watch the water we sing again. I've found my Sonia. She has come home to me. She said she tired to see me living in misery. Watch the water we ring out. Boom, de boom, de boom, de do be doom, de doom, be doom. La da 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 da. So we sing again, come again. Boom, de boom, de boom, de do be doom, de doom, de doom. Your time.
Make some nice wire. What you are saying to the people then? Good night, Queens. And a night yet. Out the streets. Well, I guess it would be nice if I could touch your body. I know not everybody has got a body like you, but I gotta think twice before I give my heart away. I know all the games you play because I play them too. Oh, but I need some time off from that emotion. Time to pick my heart up off the floor. And the wind comes down with all emotion. And it takes a strong man, baby, but I'ma show me you the door. Because I gotta have faith to take the faith. I gotta have faith. Hold on. Hush. Everybody I sing be a pretty song. I gotta have thing that. Yeah, alright. And you know, it's nice, but I'll tell no lie. But soon me hear them bring my bassy, forward bassy. When me hear them bass line here, me don't wanna sing no pretty song. Me just feel like give them all a style like, you know, over me, over me, no fella. Queens, listen this. I'll be able to understand about it. You know what I mean? Awesome like this. Hey, sing on in my head. What me do? You know what I mean? Cause we don't give trouble, we give thanks. Turn up the music and we no response. You're feeling irate, put up your hand. Grooving, put up your hand. Everyone in him, free up, be yourself. And do your work, sing to you. Sure, free up. And down for the haters. Yeah man, free up. Give them the shoes, still claw. Like you. Get you. Down. We give thanks for life. If you give thanks to life, so beer. Hey, we give thanks for life. Hold on. Once again, you have some lazy people who are afraid of the sun. All of the girls in the middle, them are natural brown and them now bleach. Make some noise! So we're grooving. So right about now, I want everybody put their hands together. Like this. Come on. Hey. One. Hey. Listen. Today my rise by the sunrise. Right and my upright. No one can stop my vibe. I'm in not here who want fight, who want criticize. I'm on high eyes. Tell them, say what you want to, do what you want to, it's no concern to me. And if you're grooving in the park, clap your hands and just move with me. Well, it's my day to do anything sure, and I do anything I want to, yeah. And I'm right over here, sure, but it's time. Oh, my day, my time, my time. Yeah! Where you going with Canon? What that mean? What that mean?
Walk out there, so okay? I'm gonna like your eye. You're not grooving. Ask the guitarist what that mean. Or you can twang it. What does that mean? So what that mean? Oh, and that tune that you want them sing. Hey, we've been together for a while now, growing strong and everything now. Feels so good that there is no doubt. Hey, I will stay with you. When I see you morning bring a sunrise, and the flowers bloom in spring. Sure, on my loving you can rely. Hey, I will stay. When everybody sing, I will stay. And your downs, I will. No one else is around. When the dark clouds arrive, I will stay by your side. I know it'll be alright. I will stay. Sure. Well, I will stay. Natural beauty, Uncle Glenn. Who are you, them Uncle Glenn? Hey, no, I never been so much shy until I seen her. I never had to. Wow. So, well, oh yes. Now struggle for you, you know. Push up your voice. Yeah, I know it. So what you say?